Hey guys, remember that robot I made? Well, all credit goes to my sister. She actually bought this as my Christmas present, and I just assembled it. So it was my Christmas present. So it's a smart robot. So it detects edges, and then it turns on them like this. Oh, it got stuck. So yeah, we'll turn on it. And then, yeah, so that's a robot. It's missing a leg right now. Come on, robot, why'd you have to get stuck again? Oh, the gears. Oh, wait, there we go. The gears got jammed. It fell, but I caught it. So see, look, it's a smart robot, and the wheel got stuck. Gotta make sure it doesn't fall. See, look. It is smart. Just went through that thing. And that's my robot. So I'm gonna turn it off. So yeah, so I'm gonna give you a tutorial of how it's made. So you have to buy the set, and then I did this step first, even though it's one of the last ones. So I put the legs on. One of the legs fell off, and I can't find it. And then you put the claws on, and then what you do is you take these wires. You see the wires inside? Well, no. So one of the wires is connected to the base, which is what you put the legs on. So you put the wires in there, like the black wires and the red wires. There's the black ones and the red ones, and the black and red. You put those in, and then you add this. Well, and then you add this, but you need to use your own AA battery. But you add that thing inside, and then you put the battery in, and then you have a top on. And when you put the top on, you take this, the clear covering, put the the eyes on, and then you screw them on. Yeah, you're gonna have to screw quite a bit of things in, and you have to put gears in here. And that's how this robot is made. And that's how it moves. It has wheels here. And some people like me thought it would work with the legs, but no. Like he's doing. It does what he's doing. Just it has wheels. Ah! And then, yeah. Yeah, so. Please don't fall. And the gears do sometimes jam. So you just gotta move it a little bit. And then. Smart robot. It's smart, unlike some people. It's smart. So yeah. The box said like it's a smart robot that detects edges and then will turn. That's what I thought it would do, like this. I thought it would be like this. But no, here's what it does. And yeah. I thought it was smarter than that. Please don't fall. I mean, that's kind of what it did, and then it stopped.